We're going to go through finding the circumference and area of each circle. So write neatly underneath each circle as I go through, because you need to fit all three on your page. So if you write underneath each circle, then that'll help you fit all the information. I might need a bit more room because I'm going to write big so that you guys can see. Circumference, first of all, equals 2 pi times the radius. In this case, the radius is 7, so that's going to equal 2 pi times 7. I recommend you always leave pi until last. So 7 times 2 is 14. So my answer for circle, my first answer for the circle is 14 pi, and that would be centimeters for the circumference. And then if I want to see what that is without pi, then off to my side, I'm going to do 3.14 times 14 and multiply that out. I have two numbers in after the decimal in my question, so I need two numbers after the decimal in my answer. So 14 pi centimeters squared is also 43.96 centimeters. Sorry, centimeters, not centimeters squared. Then we're going to figure the area equals, this time I need to use the formula pi r squared. So in this case, pi, and then the radius is 7, so that's going to be 7 squared. 7 squared is 49, so my answer in terms of pi is 49 pi centimeters squared. And then when I multiply that out, 3.14 times 49, two numbers after the decimal, 153.86 centimeters squared. So there are my two answers in terms of pi, and figured using pi as 3.14. On the next one, again, c equals 2 pi r. So that's going to be 2 pi, and my radius is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so 4 pi inches. And then if I want to find out what that is with pi as 3.14, then I do 3.14 times 4, giving me 12.56. The area, need the formula pi r squared. So that's going to equal pi, and radius squared is going to be 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, so 4 pi inches for the area. And I need to multiply that out. I just did that for the previous problem, so 12.56 square inches. The last one on your page. Be careful here, because the diameter is 10, that means radius equals 5 meters. It's always a good idea to write that. C equals pi d. I can use diameter here because I have it. So that equals pi, and the diameter is 10, so that we would say the circumference equals 10 pi. And to multiply that out, for if pi is 3.14, I need to do 3.14 times 10. An easy way to multiply by 10 is just to move the decimal point over one place to the right. So 31.4 meters. There's my answer in terms of pi and as a decimal. To figure out area, I need to use pi r squared. Be careful here, but you cannot use diameter when you're doing an area calculation. So pi and the radius squared is 5 squared. So 5 squared is 25. So the area equals 25 pi, and then just substitute pi in for 3.14. So 3.14 times 25. Two numbers after the decimal point would equal 78.5, and our units in both of these cases are meters squared. All right, that's it.